Welcome to episode 3. If you didn't know already, this is the $0 to $1 million as a barber. Currently in episode 2, we were already up $2,000 in the first week. And this is the third week now. Still waiting on paycheck. We're not going to focus a lot on the number in this episode, but mainly what have changed since I started doing this challenge. So let's get started.
The hour work week hasn't changed much in the last 87 years, which is probably why it's not working.
So what me and Pat did was plan out content for Compound because, we're in charge of the marketing team on Compound now. Pat is. And what we got on the board is content ideas for every single day, different categories. So now we have a plan because content is king. All right, explain what we got here.
We planned it out within the days that we would usually market everything. So we're not open on Mondays, but that's still a weekday. So then we just added it on the thing. So from Monday to Friday, we're going to be posting different things.
We'll probably come up with more stuff for Saturday, Sunday, just because when you post on those days, sets us up for the whole week too.
Yeah.
Like today, what did we post? We already posted.
I already posted. It's a personal today.
Personal today.
But we didn't.
We didn't have this, yeah.
So Monday, it's today Sunday. We don't even have. So tomorrow we should post a portfolio. I'm gonna post a cut tomorrow or something.
Yo, that means you can only post one.
Yeah.
And there's so many of it.
So then that's a lot. I mean, you can go for
5 a day.
We don't have to do 5 a day. You can just do 1 a day or 2 a day from 2 different people.
Yeah. So now we just gotta post every day now.
Check it out. Gonna be busy for real. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Always.
Right now what I'm doing is writing an email to our email list. Compound has about 2,300 people on their email list, and most of them, or I think all of them, has been to our shop. So what I'm gonna do is actually ask for a favor and try to see if they can write a Google review for us. I'm going on Google My Business to get the link, but yeah, we're gonna send out the email. If you're a client watching this, please drop us a review. I'm gonna try to give out maybe a promotion where if you drop a review, you get 20% off men's cuts or something. But yeah. So I finished the email. This is what it looks like. And me and Pat were brainstorming how to market the shop better. What we thought of was we're gonna run Facebook ads, so it's gonna stop people on what they're doing instead of Google ads that they're already looking for us. So it's a bit harder. We're gonna have to get creative with it. The benefits of Facebook ads is I think it's cheaper per views. So if we're good enough to stop them and get them to click the ad, it's gonna be more worth it. And it's just a wider audience. For Google, they're warmer audience because they're already looking for cuts. And then yeah, I don't know if you guys have heard of funnels. Funnels is when you put customers and audience through steps or a funnel to hopefully get them to do what you want. For us, what we want them to do is book a haircut, but we're not gonna just tell them right away, come book a haircut. So a funnel is used so that you give out a value first, get them in, and then get their information, and then from there we can start contacting them, this and that. So how do we do that? So what we want to give out, you gotta give value for our ads. Our ads is gonna say, oh, don't know what haircut to get from your barber? Find out what haircut suits you the best. So now we gotta brainstorm what types of haircuts are there and what hairstyles and short or long, this and that. So now we're gonna write down all the possibility haircuts and what looks good with which face shapes. That's the first thing that we're gonna do today. It's good footage, but first thing that I realized that I had to do to actually get to the $1 million was to change my lifestyle. I was making a lot of money, but I was also spending a lot of money, and that was the main problem. So I had to change my lifestyle. I took a look around what I had for materialistic stuff and then try to get rid of some stuff. And currently I sold my other camera, A7 III, for like $1,700. So we're up 17 from that. I'll update you guys on the number next episode. But what we did find out too was our monthly expenses. Let me show you guys what my monthly expenses look like. Yeah guys, I just did the math and found out what my monthly reoccurring expenses are, and that's the number. I think I'm gonna make a whole different video just on my monthly expenses and budgeting, as it would take too much time. But At least now we know the number and we'll plan out better for the future. And also try to minimize.
Pratt did was to apply the thinking behind the Industrial Revolution.
So what's our plans with our money? As you guys know, I do have that debt and we're trying to get rid of that as soon as possible first. And then after that, we're gonna start investing either real estate, stocks, crypto. There's so many vehicles out there, but I think what I'm gonna do is invest in myself, trying to run other businesses. So far, I do have my own barbershop and the academy, but I also think there's some other businesses that I could start that can start making money as soon as possible. We just need a little bit of capital and we just need focus. So that's my plan for the first few thousands that we're gonna make at first. Spring when time comes, but right now I'm trying to get rid of everything that I can that doesn't really support me to get to that 1 million. So living that minimalist lifestyle now.
How to save money?
How to save money? Buy a barbershop?
Buy a barbershop and get free haircuts.